Hey guys, welcome back to another one. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute your dialogue in Forza Horizon 6. Now, within Forza Horizon 6, there are many events and little actions in the game that can trigger in-game dialogue, which some users might find a little bit annoying or distracting or might break the immersion for them. So if you're wanting to turn off your dialogue, all you need to do is open your pause menu, navigate to settings, and within audio, as you can see right here, there is a dialogue slider. Let's just set this all the way to 0 and save, and our dialogue will be successfully muted. Now we also have the option to open our accessibility tab, and if you have subtitles on, feel free to turn those off, and then you will no longer be seeing subtitles either. And just like that, we've muted our dialogue and can enjoy Forza in a much more immersive way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. See ya.